Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So we gotta talk about Palantir today. The market is crazy and I just want to have a word with you, and I found a really fitting video about Amazon that I think perfectly fits the situation. So as always, if you like this content, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. And I'm not even going to mention that we have a Patreon, but if you want, you can check it out. It's always the first link in the description box below, and you can help a European like me pay for the electricity prices this winter because it's rough over here. So what is it that is going on? It is a sea of red out there today, guys. I did a video not so long ago that I think that the market is going to go back to the June lows, but I don't think that the market is going to go past the June lows. You can see it's almost been a straight downfall on the S&P 500. The market cannot fall in a straight line. So I would be very surprised not to see a pullback, few green days, and my suspicion is that we have hit the market bottom and it's only going to go up from here. I don't think it's going to be a crazy rally up from here on the market, but we are at least not going to be going down. The Dow Jones did actually break the June low. Let's see if it comes back later today. And the Nasdaq is just a bit over, just like the S&P 500. Palantir is red, but you can see it's sort of bottoming. It's having a hard time going below $7.50 and even below $7. I mean, of course we all know why, because it's a steal deal. And I actually recently did an interview with CodeStrap. It was a 5-part interview, and our purpose was to simply explain what Palantir does to customers. And I can see that some of you really got the message of that video. This guy, Ryan Reeves, he commented, in simple terms, Palantir explains, you invest here and you lose money here. So congratulations, you really got what the videos were about. But in all seriousness, I learned really a lot from CodeStrap. I didn't expect to get so much new data. I started to see the true potential of Palantir, which is way more bullish than I ever thought that it would be. This is on one hand, but on the other end, I started raising questions about what is management doing, and are they doing the right things that is good for the company. And I'm going to actually do videos about this because this is a very interesting topic, that Palantir has such a good opportunity and management doesn't seem to be going in that direction. So very, very interesting topic. Definitely recommend that you check out the CodeStrap videos. And now, because I am a Palantir shareholder with over 10,000 shares, and I know that a lot of you have shares with an average cost of way over $10. And I want you to stay strong. I think it's a very unique time in history. And I actually found a video about Amazon, and I want to show it to you. It's just a minute. And comment below if you see any resemblance to today. Please let me know.
So most of those internet companies of the .com era are out of business.
Yeah.
You survived. What was that made you to survive, and virtually the rest of them are gone?
Well, that whole period is very interesting because the stock is not the company, and the company is not the stock. And so as I watched the stock fall from 113 to 6, I was also watching all of our internal business metrics: number of customers, profit per unit, everything you can imagine, defects, etc. Every single thing about the business was getting better and fast. And so as the stock price was going the wrong way, everything inside the company was going the right way. And we didn't need to go back to the capital markets. We didn't need more money. The only reason, a financial bust like the internet bubble bursting makes it really hard to raise money. But, we already had the money we needed. So we just needed to continue to progress.
Well, Wall Street kept saying, well, Amazon's not making any money. They're just getting customers. Where's the profits? Where are the profits? And Wall Street kept beating you up on that. And your response was, I don't really care what you think?
Well, I was on television with Tom Brokaw. He pulled together half a dozen internet entrepreneurs from that era. This is, I think it was right before the bubble burst, maybe, or right after. I can't remember. But in that area. And he was interviewing all of us. And he finally turned to me and he said, Mr. Bezos, can you even spell profit? And Tom, by the way, Tom Brokaw is now one of my good friends. But he's like, can you even spell profit? And I said, sure, P-R-O-P-H-E-T. And he burst out laughing. But look, Amazon was, people always accused us of selling dollar bills for 90 cents and said, look, anybody can do that and grow revenues. That's not what we were doing. We always had positive gross margins. It's a fixed cost business. And so what I could see is that from the internal metrics is that at a certain volume level, that we would cover our fixed costs and the company would be profitable.
So you heard he said that the Amazon stock went from 136 to 6. I mean, we are not even close to that with Palantir, and I don't think that that is going to happen. But the stock is not the company, and the company is not the stock, and they didn't need to raise capital, and every metric in the company was just getting better. And that is exactly what's happening in Palantir. They have zero chance of running out of money. They're cash flow positive. They are doing fantastic in their businesses. They have a fantastic potential. And yeah, currently we can buy the stocks at a major discount. I do think that we're near the bottom. I do want this to be in the video. So don't do anything stupid. I'm kind of talking to myself because I'm not allowed to give investment advice, but I have a 5 to 10 year time horizon and I'm not worried at all. In fact, I'm trying to see how I can find more money to invest in Palantir. And by the way, Alex Karp has been in very many interviews lately, which I think is fantastic. And he's giving a lot of insights into the company. And I don't want to be one of those YouTubers who, does the 50th, reaction video to Alex Karp's interview, to this one at least. But when you watch these interviews, does it look like a CEO of a company that is not doing good? He's very uptone. He's straight. He's making jokes. He sounds very confident. He's very transparent and honestly answering the questions. I love what has been happening lately with the company, but obviously not with the stock. Actually, I even love what's happening to the stock because I get to buy more for cheaper. Let me know what you think in the comments. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, ciao.